Hello and welcome to AltheaSuite. Today we're going to take a look at creating and adding custom payment modes to both receive payment from customers as well as make payments to suppliers. So the first thing I'll do is come down to my settings, and then we'll come to our payment mode settings. Now I open this is going to show all of the payment modes that I've already created or added to my system. Then in the is active column, all of these are showing yes now. If I had marked any as inactive, then they would just not appear in my selections, so I could always reactivate at any time. So to create a new payment mode, we'll come to the new button, as always, in our upper left-hand corner. First thing we'll do is our payment mode name. So for this, I'm going to say Venmo. Now, the display name is simply what is going to actually show for the selection. So if I want to have a different display name, I could, or I could just simply copy over the payment mode. Now, the most important piece here is tying the financial account. Now, this will obviously depend on which payment mode it is that you're adding. So for example, Venmo, maybe that's going to go directly to my bank account. So I could come in and simply select my Bank of America account. Now, if I was adding a payment mode like a check, and maybe I wanted to actually have to go through the process of depositing them before I want it to show in my account, and I could add a payment mode for checks to be deposited. So tying the financial account will allow you to select where that money is going to show when it's received, as well as if it needs to be deposited or cleared after receiving. Next, we have our is active button, again, just to ensure whether or not I'm going to have it show up on my available payment mode selections. I can create payment modes that are just for sales returns, meaning just ways that I'm going to return money, refund money to my customer, as well as ways that are just for supplier payment. So only going to pay suppliers through that payment mode. Then last section here, I can select the locations it's available at. So if I want to allow this payment mode at all locations, I can simply select all and move those locations over, or maybe it is only available at certain business locations, and then I can remove the ones that I do not provide that payment mode option. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your interest in AltheaSuite.